with square roots. Right. So we discussed regarding perfect square and non-perfect. Correct. So for perfect we did by Viloknam method. Viloknam Sutra, which means by mere observation. And we also did then with non-perfect squares. But small numbers in which we know, because we divided the non-perfect to perfect and an additional component. So we were aware about the perfect. Any doubt up till now? Any questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll be doing a method which is not from Vedic mathematics, but I told you that day also why we have to do, because students face a problem in this, that when the numbers become bigger. Now 5-digit number, you were able to do it. Why? Because you know 10 square also. $11. So up to 15, you are already aware. But when numbers become bigger and bigger, it's not that easy to find out. Right. So today we'll be starting with a method known as division method. Let's take an example. Now we have certain steps. First example I'm taking from the book itself so that you can check and later, if required, can refer again. Let this be a number, right? 390625. We will make pairs because we have to find a square root. So we will make pairs of this, right? But pairs have to be done from right hand side. So in case 3 was not there, this would have been 9. Or if it would have been 191, then another one would be a pair, right? Because we'll take the numbers in pairs. So this is the reason why we take it. Step 1 is make pairs. So we have done it, right? From right hand side. Second step. Now the diagram is like this. First thing we'll do is we'll take the numbers in pairs. Now 39 is my first number. What we have to find, this number, is it a perfect, is it a square of any digit, or it is less than a square?
Less than square, sir.
Sorry. Less than square. Here less than square doesn't mean ki, like you will find 49. No, less than means we have to subtract from this, right? What is the nearest perfect square? So it should not be more than 39. Now the nearest square which is less than this, that is 36.
Okay, 36.
Correct. So that means square root of
Yes,
36.
sir.
So we'll have to find the square root of that. So square root of 36 means, now this is your quotient, this is your divisor. Am I correct now? 6 into 6 is 36. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Yes. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'll change the colors to understand. We'll bring the two others down. See, we have to bring in the pairs itself. No, you cannot bring down the single digit number. So whatever pairs you formed, they will be brought down. Correct? Now, what is, since we are finding the square root, it is not a common division. So what we do, we have to multiply these two also later, or add up, sorry, add up. So what we do now, since the quotient and the divisor would be always same, because we are finding a square root. So we'll do plus, you can say this one we bring down. And whatever result we get, we write like this, plus we add a dash. Now this is what is missing in our school books. So what happens? We are not able to understand how this 12 comes. Right. So they have not given this clarity anywhere. Up till here, any doubt? Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Another, now third step I'll change. Okay, I'll not change the page. Let me give it here itself. It's very important. We need to understand the fact. Now we start making assumptions. This is important thing. Now we have the number 306, correct? And here it is 1, 2. Now what should be added here? One thing remember, whatever number you are going to add, same you have to put here also. Means same would be your divisor also. I'll give you example. Now, if it is 121, let's say assume 121 initially. So that means it would be multiplied with 1. 1, 2, 1. Now 1, 2, 1 is very less than 306. Let's make a second assumption. 1, 2. So I have to multiply with 2. This becomes 4, 4, 244. Now this is correct because it is less than 306. But sometimes what happens? Let's check by 3 also. 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 6, 369. So 369 is too big. So you cannot subtract 369 from 306. So what is the ideal one? This. Is it clear? Even this is too small. This is too big. This is the ideal case. So I'll write 2 over here. 2 over here. 244 here and subtract. So what do I get? 6, 2.
2,
Right?
5.
Now I bring another 2, 5 down. Up till here, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Done. Now, what we have to do is, see, like added here, again, you have to add 2 because 2 has been the new divisor value or 2 was added, whatever. So that means 124. And again, I leave last space. Now, any doubt? Up till here, any questions?
No, sir.
Yes,
No, sir. No.
Karishma,
Clear, sir.
Lakshmi.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So one question, if you'll solve, then it would be very much clear, and we'll solve the previous exercise again. First, we'll solve perfect one, so that where no decimal comes. Then we'll go for non-perfect. Okay. I'm removing this. This is known as assumptions. If you have written these assumptions, please. If you have not written, please write down because I am removing it. Okay. Now see, my target is 6225. This is my target. Correct? And I have number 124. What digit should I add here? That with the same
5.
digit I have to multiply. Now here, very important thing is it is 5. So you can easily very well imagine now 5 will always come when it is multiplied by 5. No, nowhere is possibility. Right? Any two numbers cannot give you 5. Only 5 will give 5. If it is 5, I have to multiply 5. So 25 means 5, 22, 5 2s are 10, and 2, and so it is complete. So that means here I can write 5, here I can write 5, and this becomes 0. Now 0 means it is a perfect square. So the for 39625, 625 is perfect square root. Do you want to check? How can we check this? Tell me. Yes, Karishma. How can we check this?
सर
Digital root.
625 को 625 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इतना आएगा।
ये इसका स्क्वायर निकालिए। 625 का स्क्वायर निकालने का तरीका बताया था। इफ नंबर इज एंडिंग बाय 25, आंसर इज 625। यहाँ पे 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आ गया 3, फिर 6 का स्क्वायर वो आ गया 36, दोनों को ऐड किया वो आ गया 39, फिर उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया आ गया 390। So that means I am correct. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Rahul.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन और करेंगे, थोड़ा
Okay,
छोटे छोटे पे आ जाते हैं। पिछली असाइनमेंट में जाते हैं। जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर था, फर्स्ट नंबर था 69169. See, this is a 5-digit number. So first pair would be 69, second would be 91, and the third would be 6. Correct? Any doubt now?
No, sir. Now we have to put 0.
No, not required also. So
Okay.
what is the nearest square for before 6?
4. 2 2s are 4.
Any doubt up till here?
No.
Yes, Rahul.
No, sir. No, sir.
चलिए +2 किया, डबल किया, 4 blank space दे दिया. Target is 291. So what should be multiply here that I get 291?
6. 46 into 6.
Okay. So आपके according 46 into 6. Everybody is getting. So 6 is 36. 3 either 2 7. Okay. And let's try for 7 also. 7 7 is 49. Okay, 28. So this is bigger. 45 लेते हैं. So then 5 2 is 2 to 5. So this is the ideal one. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
46, 26, 276. So I get 5, 15.
15.
Any doubt? So now I get 1569.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now this becomes 46 plus 6, it becomes 52.
52.
And a space again. Now my target is 1569 and I have with me 523. Now first thing is you have to get 9. So 9 is possible in only 2 conditions. Either 1 is multiplied by 9. Now this cannot be done. Why? Because if you'll have 9 here, 9 has to be multiplied. So what is the other option? 3 into 3.
3.
3.
What's the point? This is how you will
Yes.
understand the things. So let's try with 5. So 9.
That's the correct one. 1569.
Okay. So that means 263 is my answer.
Correct.
You can check once using, now you can check using duplex, because 263 either you have to get a square of 26 or 63, so that would be difficult for you. So find using duplex. Done?
Yes, sir.
Chaliye, good. One question you attempt now. One, two, three, two, two, one. No, sorry. One, two, three, two, one. Check it. See, now these are perfect squares.
Repeat number, sir. 1, 2.
Is one only. Sorry.
Repeat again. Number. 1, 2.
1 2 3 2 1. This is exercise 1. So this is a perfect. We are dealing with perfect only right now. So that once you are clear with perfect, then we'll be going for decimals.
सर 111.
आंसर तो ठीक है, आंसर तो आपने निकाला था ये. अब you are able to calculate with division method or not?
यस सर,
हो गया?
डिवीजन मेथड से किया है सर.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट यही आया, देन
यस सर, देन
2.
ट्वाइस 2. हाँ, फिर 1 पे गया सर.
ठीक है,
हाँ जी,
then 22,
हाँ जी,
then
और फिर 1 पे गया.
111 is the answer, sir.
so how many of you got the answer?
I got, sir.
Who
Yes,
has not
sir.
got it? Kanchan? Kanchan, did you get the answer? Okay. Karishma?
Yes, sir.
Chali. So now let's go for 7 digit. 5, 3, 4, 9, 9, 6, 9. Nothing. First this, second this, third this, 0. Again, this is the same example. The only difference is 2, 2, 4, 134. And this becomes 2 plus 2, 4. When you will see your textbooks or class 8 textbooks or 7, there this is missing. So then student gets confused. See, cramming they are able to do, but they get confused. Yes, what will come now?
43. So it
So
will be
43
129.
43 into 3 is 129. Okay.
129.
Then you get 5.
5 and 9 will be down.
Okay, 99 will be down. Then 43 plus 3 is 46 and
1.
1.
okay, 1. See how easy it becomes. Once you understand the concept, then it is very easy. 8, 3,
3,
1,
1.
and
One.
again 6, 9.
69 will be down.
So now it is 461 plus 1,
462.
462 and something.
3.
So
3.
again, see 9 is
3,
there.
sir.
If it has to be
Yes, it
perfect,
will be.
even if it is not perfect, sometimes it might not be perfect. Then also, at least we learned one thing, when it is 3, so we know how 9 we'll get.
231 is the answer, sir. Yes.
2313 is the answer, ma'am.
Achha, sorry. This 3 will also go, yes. So 13869. 4623 into 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Now, if you are asked, sometimes questions are asked, find square root up to 2 decimal places, or find square root of A dot B. Now it is very clear from here itself. If decimal is coming, that means it is not a perfect one. If it is asked to find up till decimals, so it is not perfect. Is it clear? See, now for 64, it is 8. Nobody will ask you over decimal for this. They will ask for 65 only. Na? So
Yes, sir.
if decimal is asked, that means it cannot be 64. It might be 65. Got my point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's do when we have decimals with us, or when decimal comes. So these are the 2 types of questions which are asked, and both the ways I have tried to explain. First is 861.96. Here again, pairing, making a pairing is one point which you need to understand. Pairing would be from the decimal. For numbers before the decimal, you will follow the same way, this way. But after the decimal, you will start pairing from this side. For example, for 861.96, the pairing is 96, here 61, here 8. But if it is 861.961, so it is 96 and 1 is separate. It's not like 61 and 9. Got it? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This because will make everything different. So Dot decides your pairing. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we have 8, 6, 1. So this would be 1, this would be this, and this would be this. So that, because what happens if you are wrong here, then you'll take a wrong pair. So first is now 8. So what will we have here? 2, 2. We cannot have 3 into 3. 4, 461. Plus 2, 4 and something. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
So tell me, let's say 48 into 8. 884. 6 here. 32 and 6. 38. Very less. 49, 9. 9981. 36 and
441.
so it is ideal. 1.
Correct.
So I have 2, 9. 441. 20. And now don't worry about decimal here. Write as it is. As normal numbers you write. Don't think of decimal here. Decimal now comes, so write decimal here. Here, don't worry. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is why pairing is important. If you do wrong pairing, you'll put a wrong decimal. Correct? Okay. 49 plus 9 is 58. And a space. Yes or no?
583. Yes, sir. Yes.
So,
Sir, correct.
see, generally when we have 5 here, I can think 5 into 4 is 20. But this will
Correct.
become more bigger. So 3,
3.
9.
1749.
1749.
Okay. So 1, 7, 4, 9. So how much we got it?
320.
4.
4. 7.
And here it is 3. So it is 3. So answer is 29.3. Correct. But generally we find up till 2 digits. 2 decimals, sorry. Okay. Up till here, any doubt? Now, decimal is already there. So we can simply add 2 zeros. This is what we do. If we have a decimal, we can simply add zeros or not.
Yes.
Chalo.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this becomes 586 and with something. I'll write here. So what should I write here that I get this? Let's try, because now it is only assumptions. So let's try with 5. Because again, 6 5s are 30. So let's try with 5 first. 5, 2, 3, 9, 2.
29325.
So that means my square root is approximately 29.35.
30. Correct.
See, if it was 900, so it would have been 30. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt
So
now?
we have to do up till 2 place decimals, or it's like one.
Generally questions are asked. See, that's what I explained earlier also. Generally, the question is asked, find the square root up till 2 decimal or 3 decimals. So even if it is asked for 3 decimal, you have to go for 3. Next question will do that only.
Okay, sir.
What was the square root of 2 you found? Last time we did square root of 2. क्या था?
1 point something.
1.5. Why? 1 plus 1 by 2. So it was 1.5. Correct. Now see the difference. Now,
Yes, sir.
now I'm saying find the of 2 up till 3 decimals. So that means if I'm asking for 3 decimals, can I write directly here only? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Yes, Karishma.
Yes, okay.
Can I write this way, or later on I can add whatever you say?
Correct.
This will give me more clarity, because if I have asked
Yes.
for 3 digits, let me write initially only. Okay, now see the things. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So nothing affects here, only here. Oh, sorry. Up till here, any question you have?
No, sir.
Now. Okay. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2 something. Now,
Yes.
what should be done? See, if it is 24, then it is 96. If it is 25, it becomes 125. So we'll use 24 only. So 1.4.
4.
So 96. 4 and 00 now.
Correct.
Here 24 plus 4, it becomes 28 and a space. Now, now this is very clear. Just think of it. 2, 8. How much? You cannot multiply by 2. It has to be 1 only.
1 only. Yes.
Now you're getting the assumptions clear.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
will I get? 119. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So this becomes plus 1. This becomes 282 and a space. Sorry. And here it is 11900. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
So what should we have here so that I get this or less than this? So you can try. See, don't. If I try with 5, it becomes 5, 25, 1 is 40, 1, 4. So it is more. So let's try with less.
4.
3, it will
4.
be 8.9.
If I try with 4, it becomes 6, 9, 2.
Yes. 4. 11296.
11.
So now what is the answer? 1.414. So yesterday we got 1.5. Now we cannot say that technique was wrong. The only thing is they are not going for a very deep, into the number of decimal places. It is just a rough value. But here it is more precise. Clear? Any questions
Sir,
you have?
one I didn't understand that where we should take decimal point, that 1.4. And previous problem was 29.35. How, sir?
See, decimal, leave this. One come. Now it is there. 2 minus 1
Yes,
is 1.
sir.
Now there is a decimal. So that's why we added decimal here.
Okay, sir. In previous problem, it was
Also, I'll come.
861. Not this, sir. 861.96.
So we, okay, I'll tell you. That time you were not there. 861 point
96.
anything. Let's say. Now see, first is 2, 4, 2. No problem. 461.
Yes.
No
61.
problem. Now we have plus 2, 4. This,
49.
what was here?
9.
9.
Okay. Up
9.
till here, did you
441.
require any extra thing? Now the answer is
No.
20. Now you need a decimal, na? Yes, Lakshmi. Now decimal is there. So that's why now decimal I write.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve one question then. 1052 up to 3 decimal numbers. So you can initially also write 6 zeros, or let it be 2 decimal. Yes, what is the answer?
32.43.
32.434.
Karishma? Your problem?
Sir, give another question.
Yes, everybody has done. Anyone has a doubt, please ask me. Or we'll move to next number.
Sir, 32.43.
Correct. Anyone left? Karishma?
Sir, last decimal I'm counting, but I got 31.6.
How 31? It is 32. How 31?
Hmm.
Hmm? Okay, up to 2 decimal means 2 zeros, 2 zero,
Huh.
3, 3,
3 threes are
3,
left. Yes.
152. 3 plus 3 is 6. How will you get 1? 61 into 1 is 61.
So 3 plus 3, I wrote 9. So I was trying 91.
3 plus 3 is 9. Good. You have to be careful. I told you very first, you make silly mistakes.
Yes, sir.
कब
Yes, sir. So
छोड़ोगे
91
मैडम?
into 91 I wrote.
अब तो क्लास खत्म होने वाली है. लास्ट बैच, लास्ट वीक, सेकंड लास्ट वीक है ये. अभी तो छोड़नी पड़ेंगी ये छोटी छोटी
Yes, sir. Yes,
गलतियां.
now got.
अब
सर पकड़ के नहीं रखा है, वो अपने आप आ रही है साथ में.
ठीक है, अब हो जाएगा.
मैं जितना अलर्ट होके ट्राई करती हूँ ना, उतना ज्यादा मिस्टेक करती हूँ.
कोई बात. Now is it?
Yes, now got.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
चलो, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा बड़ा वाला कर लेते हैं. 6 4 8 2 1 1 6. स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, तो आज चेंजेस कर दें.
रहने दो ना, सराहने तो दो ना जो है.
ठीक है, डन. चलिए,
Sir, 2546.
Sir, what is the question, sir? My network got disconnected.
6 4 8 2 1 6. We have to find the square root of this number.
Okay.
2545.
2546.
46 sir, 46.
राहुल,
Yes, yes, sir.
क्या हुआ आंसर?
2544.
किसी का 4 6, किसी का 4 5. How is it possible?
Sir, 2546.
सुमन,
Yes, sir. 2546.
The 2546.
राहुल चेक करो अपना आंसर, सबका ठीक आ गया.
Yes, sir. 2546 is correct.
करिश्मा,
यस लास्ट बस 6 के साथ assumption सब मैच कर रही है. 5 के साथ किया, अभी 6 के साथ कर रही है.
करो करो.
Yes, sir. 2, 5, 4, 6.
Good. So any doubt left now? Yes. Any doubt left? Now, got it. If it is not a perfect, then also you can find out. Right.
Yes.
So another method. So this was not a Vedic mathematics method, but we did it just to understand the system, see how it has to be done and to make kids understand. Now we go for a Vedic mathematics method that is known as Dvandva Yoga Sutra. We did this earlier also, where we did yes, Rahul, Karishma, Suman, finding squares, duplex method.
Yes, sir.
So Dvandva Yoga Sutra means by adding duplexes. And we did this to find squares. Now we'll be using this technique to find square roots. Let's take a simple example first. 67, 24. Again, we'll solve the same first exercise with this. So take one question. If it is a perfect, solve by all the three. If it is non-perfect, then also you have three different methods. If it is a smaller number, then you can use, otherwise, two methods left. First step is again make the pairs from, of course, right hand side. Now, you know one thing, one significance of this pairs is the answer or the square root is two-digit number. If it is perfect. Even if it is not perfect, then it has two digits before decimal.
So number of pairs will decide the digits of the answer. Okay.
Right? So two
Yes.
pairs means two digits. If perfect, then only two digits. If it is not perfect, then there will be two digits before.
Okay.
Because two pairs. Rest will come after only, na, dot.
Yes.
See, if it is perfectly divisible, then only two digits will come in divisor. If it is not divisible, then dot will come after that only. Na? Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll do like here the drawing goes like this. Here it is a bit different. First pair we put in, after first pair we make a line, right? Even if so many numbers are here, then also we'll put after first line only. Let me keep some distance only. Up till now, first assumption is the same, 67. So what is the nearest square
8.
first?
8 is the 64.
So here 64, correct?
Yes.
But remember, here you will not get, you'll get quotient. And reminder, you will write here.
Okay.
Like we did in flag method of
Division.
division.
Yes.
Flag method of division, not other one.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So here R is
3.
3. Let me. 3 I'll write here. Quotient is 8. I'll write
8.
8 over here. And now you remember I was doing 8 plus 8, 16.
Correct.
So here I'll directly write 16. Double.
Okay.
Now this becomes
Double of the quotient, right?
double of the quotient 2 times. 2 into or 8 plus 8, whatever you understand. This becomes your actual divisor. Up till here, any question you have first, ask.
No, sir, clear.
Okay. In flag method, what was our first step?
Actual
Make,
division
32 we used to take. So.
Flag method.
32 divided by 16.
No,
First
3,
क्या
2.
करते थे? First was division, then
then
subtraction,
subtraction.
then
Subtraction.
Division, subtraction.
subtraction. Correct? Here you'll reverse. First subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the difference, and that was the reason I told you that day also. See, when now these two things are common. Earlier, what happened if I give you one step in which division and subtraction is common, you'll always get confused. So this way you remember, right? Now subtraction is the first step. So 67 minus 64 is equal to 3. Any doubt up till here? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
So now this was subtraction. Second is now division. Earlier we used to subtract this using Q and F. Now I have a number 32. This is supposed to be divided by 16. Any question now?
No.
Yes?
No, sir. No, sir.
So I get quotient to remainder as 0.
0.
So again, quotient will come here. There is, because remainder is always above, so the underline is all quotient. I get 0 here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Third step. Now this is new number. 0, 4 minus. What will you subtract? Earlier we used to multiply here. Q and F. Now we don't have that. But what we have a new number this. That is, we find duplex of that. So whatever after first pair, whatever numbers we are getting, whatever you will be getting, we'll be finding the duplex of that. So what is duplex of 2? 4. So 0 minus
0.
Yes, 0. So my answer is, now this is my quotient. Quotient is equal to square root is equal to 82. Same. Any question you have, you ask me now.
Sir,
अगर
can
सर
you take
सब्ट्रैक्ट
some
करके
please?
0 ना आता तो वो इनपरफेक्ट स्क्वायर होता?
क्या बोलिए क्या बोले आप?
मतलब जो थर्ड स्टेप में हमारा 0 आया है,
हाँ
वो अगर 0 की जगह कुछ और आ
ये
जाता।
लो, अगर हमने यहाँ 25 कर दिया
जी
तो क्या हुआ, 0 5 -4, यहाँ 1 आ गया।
जी
1 आने के बाद ये तो हमारे पास आगे डिजिट्स चाहिए, तो हम क्या करते हैं, 2 0 लगाते,
जी।
तभी आएंगे ना, तो यहाँ से डॉट शुरू हो जाता। गॉट इट?
ओके ओके सर।
अच्छा, अभी इसी क्वेश्चन को वापस फर्स्ट मेथड से करो। फर्स्ट मेथड था आपका यूजिंग 4 इज योर, फर्स्ट मेथड में याद है क्या थे, फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का पेयर चेक करना है, उसका लास्ट डिजिट चेक करना है, एंड देन 67 को चेक करना है। चेक करिए। लक्ष्मी आप कुछ कह रहे थे, बोलिए। Now this is your third method to find. So solve the same question with first method. If you remember, if you don't remember, please ask.
Sir, first method is Vilokanam Sutra, sir. Is it, sir?
What happened? It was a 1 minute, not it should not take more than 1 minute. Rahul, क्या हुआ? Suman,
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, 82.
now do it with division method, second method. Do it.
Yes, sir. 82, sir.
So see, this is how you have to learn.
Yes, sir.
See, we did 4 methods. First was Viloknam Sutra for perfect. Second was for smaller numbers, smaller non-perfect method. Third, we did division method. Fourth, we did Dvandva Yoga Sutra. So if it is a perfect, follow 1, 3rd, and 4th. If it is non-perfect, follow 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. This is how you'll get the practice. That's Karishma, Rahul. Okay. Now let's take a bigger number. 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 6. Again, first pair, second pair, third pair. Okay. Let me draw.
So we,
कुछ बोले राहुल, क्या हुआ?
कौन से मेथड से करना है?
पहले तो इसी
The
थर्ड
same
मेथड
method.
करेंगे ना। पहले तो once we'll get the
Okay.
answer by this, then only we'll solve by that. Huh? Right. So the first nearest is, what is the nearest
Okay. Okay.
here?
9.
9.
9.
So 9 means 3. 3 is my quotient. I'll have 6 over here. Right? 3 into 2. Or if you cannot remember this, remember if I used to, in this method, 3 if I used to write here, then 3 I used to write. So I used to make up 6. Right? So same is this. Now, so what is the
Remainder is also 35. Sorry, 3, sir. So it will be
3 is
35.
reminder. So step
Correct.
1
3.
is subtraction. So that is 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Second step is my division. This is a difference. Their division was first and second was subtraction. This you have to remember. Second step. Now 35 divided by 6. What is the quotient?
5 and 5.
5 and
5,
remainder also 5.
5. Third step. 53 minus D of 5.
D duplicate 5. Okay.
Right. First number, we will not touch this one. We can. That was the reason we have made a wall. Right. So remember like this. So this is 53 minus 25 is equal to 28. Any doubt
Yes.
here? Fourth step.
No, sir.
28 divided by 6. Quotient is 6 and remainder is
4.
How, sir? 6?
किसी ने बोला
Question is 4, no, sir?
मुझे नहीं आता ना, मेरे को तो डिवीजन आती नहीं. Somebody said 6. I said okay. चलिए.
No, sir.
So 4 and I'll have 4 here.
Duplex of 4.
Duplex
Yes, sir.
आएगा ना? No, it will not be a duplex.
41 minus duplex of 4.
पहले एक मिनट राहुल, एक मिनट. Here 41 minus duplex of 54, not 4. Please try to understand.
Oh,
Full duplex कैसे करते थे?
okay, okay, sir.
ठीक है. So what is duplex of 54? 5 into 4 is
2 times.
20 into 2, 40. So answer would be 1. Correct? Any doubt? Now
No,
here,
sir.
yes, बोलिए.
Sir, can I ask one question, sir? So 5, how
Sorry.
the duplex of 5, and in the third step, how you got 28?
53 minus 25.
53 minus 25.
Duplex of 5 क्या होता है?
So वही मैंने मिस पार्ट किया हुआ है, तभी मुझको समझ में नहीं आया. डुप्लेक्स
स्केयर किए थे?
नहीं सर, तभी से मैं आपसे मिस हूँ मैं सर. मेरे पास
आपने अच्छा 4. Square of a single digit number is square of that.
okay.
So here if
समझ.
so if it is single digit number is 5, it becomes 25.
Okay. Got it. So that is 53 minus 25. Got
Correct.
it.
This is, see, duplex. The duplex, that's what initially also I asked. No? I asked you to call me in the morning. Now tomorrow I don't know whether I'll be taking batch of at 6 or not. Otherwise they'll be starting with this now, scares. So you can join there.
I will join. I will. Thank you, sir.
का मुझे अभी कंफर्म नहीं है क्योंकि कल I'll be traveling at that moment, so I'm not sure about it. Right, चलिए यहाँ तक हो गया. Sixth step. Now here is the mind game. If you remember, I told these pairs will decide number of
Digits.
digits. So what happens that I have got 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So ideally, I don't need anything more. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So I don't need anything more. So what to do? Remember what happened when we entered the reminder zone. What we used to say, we will not carry out further division. Similarly, here also, because we have got the answer in 3 digits, we will not further find division. Right? Because at this point, what was the step? It was division. So 1 divided by 6, you have to do. But we will not find the division. Rather, this 1 directly you put here only. So it becomes 16. So I'll carry out again subtraction. So after 5th, you have to write, since the desired answer is in 3 digits, no more further division is required. So 16 minus d of 4. Now you got it. Why d of 4? If you remember, duplex is like this only. If you have to find for 24, 2-digit number, so it is d of 2, then d of 24, then d of 4. Right? First all the digits, then reducing. So this is the reason d of 4. So 16 minus 16, it becomes 0. And my quotient or my square root is 354. Any questions you have now? Any doubts? Yes, tell me. What happened? सब चुप कर गए.
एक बार फिर रिपीट कीजिए सर.
क्या रिपीट कर लूं? बोलो कहाँ पे डाउट आया?
तो जब 5th वाले स्टेप 41 माइनस डुप्लेक्स ऑफ 54 1 आया.
ठीक है, 1 आ गया.
ठीक है, तो उसके आएगा सर
1. देखो हमें आंसर, मैंने क्या बोला कि हमें आंसर, मैंने आपको वहां लिखा था जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था कि these pairing will decide the number of digits of a square root.
यस यस.
इसका मतलब इससे अगर आप फिर डिवाइड करोगे then you will get another digit. That's not practical.
Yes.
So we will not further find do any division. The same thing we did when we were doing flag method. Flag method में जब हम reminder के उसमें आ जाते हैं, so what we say, we will not further calculate divide anything. Same. Clear?
Yes sir.
हाँ, बट अब देखो एक चीज और होती है. अगर यहाँ पे वो बोल देता 2 डिजिट्स में निकालना है, ये 0 पता है क्यों आया? क्योंकि इट वाज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अगर ये 5 हो जाता है यहाँ, अगर ये 5 हो जाता तो आपको 0 की बजाय कुछ और मिल जाएगा यहाँ. सपोज
1 मिल जाएगा.
7 होता, so you would have got 1 over here. Now you cannot
Yes,
delete
sir.
this. Then again you have to add 2 zeros क्योंकि डेसिमल में आता आंसर. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
ओके. नाउ
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए.
यदि वो निगेटिव में आ जाता तो
नेगेटिव में आएगा तो फिर वही फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे.
ठीक है सर.
Solve 1 6 9 7 4 4. So again 3 pairs. Do it. Just now we did one example. Same 6 digits. Please solve.
Sir, here the first pair itself is a perfect square.
तो 0 आ जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, okay.
क्वेश्चन तो 0 नहीं आ रहा ना, रिमाइंडर ही तो 0 आया. गॉट माय पॉइंट.
Yes.
0 9 आ गया. सो डिवाइड बाय 4 होगा. करो, करके देखो हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा तो फिर बैठे हैं. सुमन, आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do.
Yes, what is the answer?
412.
Yes, sir. I also got 412.
Anyone who did not get the answer?
$412, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. 412.
Okay. So Rahul, you're negative.
Yes, sir.
We'll do now. Suppose see 1052 just now we did with division method. 32.43 आपका आया था आंसर.
Yes.
Correct? Now let's do with this method. can, ठीक है, 2 zeros 2 dots आ जाएंगे, और चाहिए होगा और ले लेंगे. Nearest is 3. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Step 1.
10 minus 9. 1.
15.
15 divided by 6. Quotient is
6.
2. Remainder is
3.
3. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 3. Very good. Third. (32) minus d of 2. So what is d of 2? 4. 32
4.
minus 4 is 28. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fourth one. 28 divided by 6. Quotient is equal to 4. Remainder is equal. So now again, how will you remember the dot? I told you 2 pairs. So you can write down. And 4 is here. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Fifth step. (40) minus d of 24. I told you, don't consider, ignore this dot. Only dot is for the quotient part, not to be taken into calculation. So what is 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So I get 24. Any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
Sixth step. Now this is what we generally follow. I'll go by that method. But yes, when you said negative, so we can use, we'll see how we can use the Vinculum numbers. So 24 divided by 6, my quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. And remember, whenever we get remainder as 0, that time we always get an answer in negative. It is L every time. Seventh step. So 0, 0 minus d of 2, 4, 4.
Four.
Now what is 2, 4, 4? That is 2 into 4 is 8.
2 times
16 plus 16 is 32. So it would be minus 32. So we cannot take this. So what we do generally, first we'll go by this route, then we'll see. So what
Sir,
we
64 no, sir. Duplex 32. 64 no, sir. 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Duplex of 32 is 64.
Lakshmi, what was the formula? Tell me.
Duplex of A square. Duplex of A.
If it is a 3-digit number,
That will be AC square and B.
2AC
B will be plus.
plus B square. So if it is 2, 4, 4, it is 2 into
Into 4.
4 plus
Plus
Yeah.
16.
So 4 into 4 is 16 plus 16, it is 32. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
याद कर नहीं रहे हो आप लोग? देखो जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे नहीं चलेगा। ड्यूप्लेक्स तो करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, स्केयरिंग इज द मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट बाय दिस मेथड। फास्ट नहीं है बट कन्वीनियंट तो है। So what we do generally, when answer comes negative, this was in flag method also, but then we tried with Vinculum numbers. Here also we'll try to use, but what is the initial procedure we follow is, we change this sixth step. Sixth we do again, 24 divided by 6. We make the quotient as 3. We reduce the quotient. So if I reduce the quotient, so 6 3 is 18, what would be the remainder?
6.
6. So this becomes 6. Now seventh step becomes 60 minus d of 2 4 3. So what is that? Now 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 16 is 28. So what is 60 minus 28? 32.
32.
So if I further want to go, I can go further also. But this is where I stop because 32.43. Right. So this is our normal procedure, what we follow. Now, up till here, any question you have?
No, sir.
Yes, you try with negative also.
Yes, sir. Negative से try किया मैंने 32.4379.
हो गया? Yes, now any questions you have?
No, sir.
Others?
No, से समझ में आया.
आया?
Understood.
Yes.
चलिए सॉल्व कीजिए फिर एक और.
Yes, sir.
126.92 up to 2 decimal place. And we'll solve by this Dvandva Yoga first. Then we'll see if we need further other or not. Yes, what is the answer?
Sir, 11.26.
Others? Yes, others?
11.27. 11.27 max.
Suman? Karishma?
Sir, can you multiply this 126.92 into 100 upon 100?
Come again, come again.
126.92
Hmm.
into 100 divided by 100
हम्म,
कर सकते हैं?
उससे क्या करेंगे हम?
तो हमें पॉइंट निकल जाएगा ना, 12692 मिल जाएगा।
तो वो तो इंटू करने की, ये लो ऐसे किया, ये कर दिया, आगे क्या होगा
yes.
उससे?
तो 1 2 तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे ना, 100 का स्क्वायर रूट तो 10 पता ही है।
और यहाँ पे गलती कर
और
जाते
1
हैं।
2 6
ये अभी तो आपने कहा इसका पता है, हम क्या गलती करते हैं लास्ट में, डिवाइड बाय 10 की बजाय 100 कर देते हैं।
नहीं, स्क्वायर रूट निकालना पड़ेगा, स्क्वायर रूट निकाल रहे हैं ना।
अभी आप समझ रहे हैं, जब हम जल्दीबाजी में होते हैं
हाँ ओके।
तो कभी भी ये चीज नहीं याद रहता, तो वो तो कर ही सकते हैं, इसमें तो कोई इश्यू ही नहीं है। सी आप अब ध्यान दो, आपका अगर डेसिमल है, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना। फर्स्ट पेयर ये, इधर से पेयर 26, इधर से पेयर 1, ठीक है? तो यहीं से शुरू होगा आपका गेम 1 से। अगर
Yes.
आपका ये पूरा डिजिट सेम है तो आपने यहां से शुरू किया, तब भी वही पेयरिंग, कोई फर्क आया? तो कर क्यों रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या
नहीं।
करते हैं, हमने कुछ पाया? अगर हम वो भूल गए तो आंसर
ये
गलत।
डाउट पूछ रहा था।
नहीं, उसी का मैं क्लैरिटी दे रहा
Yes,
हूँ।
sir.
सी तभी मैंने जब सी डेसिमल का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था, इसीलिए पेयरिंग इसका डेसिमल का इधर से और विदाउट डेसिमल, बिफोर डेसिमल का इधर से, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lakshmi, any questions you have?
11.6.
Yes, any doubt? Practice is required. Now we are at the last stage of completion. If we'll not do now also, then when will we do it? So I don't have anything new to teach you right now, but you have to practice. So we'll start with cubes. Two topics are given: square roots of sum and products. So that is very simple. First you find out the sum separately and then you do the things. But पॉजिटिविटी नहीं लग रहा मुझे आज, आंसर ही नहीं आप दे रहे हैं। 1 2 राहुल कर रहा है या वो कर रहे हैं? करिश्मा क्या हुआ आज?
नो सर, आंसर मिला, मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू हो रहा है सर, बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई मैं आज।
अच्छा, अक्रम हो गया? Please do this because it is an important topic. If you have any queries, we'll solve it. Okay, solve this question 8.2643 up to 2 decimal digits. In fact, we can go for 4 digits here, 4 decimals. So I'll write because we already have 4 numbers after the decimal. We can go for bigger also, or 2 you can try. We have to do exercise 5, then we'll do next topic, because once you are done with this, then next topic is 1 minute topic, because everything has been done. So that is square roots of the sums. Or product. And second is square roots of sum of squares. Now see example. Sometimes you are asked to find a square root of this 50 square plus 39 square. So you know this. First you'll find out this using duplex method or using other method, whatever you know, and then you can find the square root of a total using it. Correct? So I have to rush for somewhere. So you can practice this. Any question if you have, you can ask me. Yes. कोई question है? Rahul? Suman?
So for this 8.26, we need to take it as 0, no sir? 0, 8 point. In that manner, we need to consider it.
Why you want, last time also you asked me, let's put 0 before 5. Why it is required?
Because the 2 digits we have to make divisions.
2 digits. See here. I'll show you where it was 1. Now here it was, if it is 2.
No, for Dvanda, that.
I never told you you have to make for 2. I told you, okay, 8 also you can, because rest are all after decimal. So if you can take it or you don't take it, that depends on you. 2643. So it is 4. Right. It is
1643 ना सर?
sorry.
1643 या 2643?
समझ नहीं आया मुझे, क्या बोले आप?
8.1643 दिया था.
नहीं 2643
No,
था।
no, 2643 only.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, आप 16 से भी जो, no issues on that. Have you solved that? तो यहाँ
No,
देखो,
sir.
यहाँ कहाँ लक्ष्मी जरूरत है हमें 2 डिजिट्स की? क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद का, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, डेसिमल के बाद पेयरिंग ऐसे है, डेसिमल से पहले ऐसे है। आप लिखना चाहते हैं लिख सकते हैं।
सर, अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन 10 आएगा और रिमाइंडर 2 आएगा ना।
सॉरी, कम अगेन।
यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन 4 आया हमारा, 42
4
आएगा
कैसे
ना।
आया? 4 कैसे आया? क्वेश्चन 4 कैसे आया?
8 माइनस
8 माइनस 4
नहीं, क्वेश्चन है, रिमाइंडर पूछ रहा हूँ, रिमाइंडर।
8
रिमाइंडर तो
minus
4
4 is
वो रिमाइंडर हुआ ना वो।
26.
यहाँ पे तो हम क्वेश्चन डालते हैं।
हाँ, तो 42 डिवाइड बाय 4 ना। हाँ नहीं नहीं सर, सॉरी सर, 42 डिवाइड बाय 4 आएगा।
ठीक है,
तो हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन
10
हमें 10
reminder
मिलता है और
2.
रिमाइंडर 2। तो 10 का डुप्लेक्स कैसे लेना सर?
आपका ये हो गया। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज 8 माइनस 4 दैट इज इक्वल टू
4।
करेक्ट। यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत?
Yes. No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
नो
ओके।
सर।
Second is, so at second step, what do we find?
42 upon 4.
On 4, that is, quotient becomes
10.
10
10.
Reminder 2.
Remainder is 2.
remainder is 2. Perfect.
2.
Okay. अब ये एक सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है. It is not a double digit. First thing you need to understand. It is not a 2 different digits. It has to be considered as 1 digit. So 26 minus 10 का duplex 10 square होगा, that is 100. So this is negative. So we will not consider. Then I'll put quotient as 9. So 9 4s are 36. So reminder आया 6.
6.
Okay. So 66 minus 9 square 81. Again, it is wrong. Then again, I'll drop quotient to 8. Reminder 2. So 8 into 4 is 52. Reminder is 10.
10.
Now, कहाँ गया? ये हमने 6 था. So this 106 minus 64. Now this becomes ठीक है. Now you got it. So you'll not see यहाँ पे नेगेटिव वाला नंबर नहीं चले. विनकुलम का थोड़ा देखता है, but this is the procedure. Now got your point is clear, and this is what we used to follow there on also. But yes, हमने एक shortcut अपना लिया था कि yes we can go for negative numbers, but here I just have to see to it. So this is the correct procedure. Clear or not, Rahul?
यस सर, यस सर।
ठीक है. उसके बाद अब हमारे पास क्या आ गया यहाँ पर 8. Let's clear it off. We have 8 और हमने यहाँ पे ले लिया है 42. So subtraction has been done. 106 minus 64. This is your third step, correct? Fourth step again is 42 divided by 4. Got it?
यस सर।
Again वही
Yes.
problem आएगी. again you have to reduce. ठीक है? But we'll find out if we can do this by vinculum. I'll just try to do it, or you also try. Otherwise, again, it would be negative, and you'll have to go by this. Any doubt? देखो क्वेश्चंस तभी आएंगे जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे प्रैक्टिस करो, you'll get it. Yes, Karishma.
Yes, sir, getting this.
थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो लेनी पड़ेगी और करते हैं.
Correct, sir.
तुम तो करके देखिए पहले. 652 up to. See, I am giving the question from the exercise itself. But what I have seen, you're not practicing, so that is becoming difficult. Because if you'll practice, then there is no problem at all. Yes, do it.
सर आंसर का लास्ट का आंसर क्या है?
मैंने निकाला नहीं, इसको और करो. 42/4 में क्या आएगा?
2 पॉइंट मैंने जो विनकुलम से किया तो मेरा ये आ रहा है 2.896.
ठीक है, आना इतना ही चाहिए. 2.8 समथिंग.
अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है सर, जब विनकुलम से करता हूँ ना तो 2.10 2 बार 1 बार 106 आ रहा है.
अभी रुक जाओ उसको, इसीलिए मैंने बोला ना, रुक जाओ.
Only I got 2.878.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. फर्स्ट डिजिट वो थोड़ा बहुत तो डिवीजन में आएगी प्रॉब्लम्स. 2.87 2.89 that would be there because the method will follow, and I'll see to it what Rahul you are saying. I'll try to solve that because practically speaking we have not done by vinculum this thing, so we never had a chance to solve that way. We always did this method. If it is negative, please repeat the steps, and we used to go there.
Yes, sir.
What happened? All साइलेंट मोड पे चले गए सभी. चलो फिर कर लो, मैं भी 5 मिनट पहले ही छोड़ता हूँ. राइट, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस पे एक्सरसाइज 5. Page 30, and whatever you solve, try with the previous methods also. Step 6, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Right? Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Happy journey.
Thank you.